Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to conduct a Meterpreter session attack to compromise a Windows 11 system. First, we need to identify the IP address of both machines. On Kali Linux, we use the ifconfig command, and on Windows 11 we run ipconfig. We can see that both machines are on the same internal network. Next, we use the ping command to ensure that the attacker and the victim can communicate with each other successfully. Now, we prepare Kali Linux to deliver the payload. We switch to the root user using sudo su. To host our backdoor file, we start the apache2 web service with the command service apache2 start. We then navigate to the web root directory at /var/www/html where our payload will be stored. Next, we use the msf binome tool to create our malicious file. We generate a Windows executable named backdoor.exe using the Windows/Meterpreter/bin_tcp payload. This file is saved directly into our Apache directory so the victim can download it later. With the payload ready, we launch the Metasploit framework using MSF console. We use the exploit/multi/handler module and set the payload to Windows/Meterpreter/bin_tcp to match our backdoor. We set the rhost to the IP address of our Windows 11 target. This tells Metasploit where to connect once the backdoor is active. We type run to start the listener. Now, moving to the victim's machine, we open the browser and download backdoor.exe from the Kali IP address. Once the victim executes the file, a TCP handshake occurs. As you can see on the Kali terminal, a Meterpreter session has been successfully opened. To prove we have full control over Windows 11, we run 3 commands. First, sysinfo confirms the OS is indeed Windows 11. Second, we run dir to list the files in the current directory, showing that we have full read access to the file system. And finally, we run ipconfig, displays the victim's internal network configuration. Beyond just terminal commands, Meterpreter allows us to spy on the victim's activities in real time. By executing the screenshot command, the backdoor silently captures the current screen on the Windows 11 machines. As you can see on the Kali terminal, the image is automatically saved to our home directory. When we open this file, it reveals exactly what the victim is looking at. In this case, the student portal column. So, this successful demonstration shows how a backdoor can compromise the integrity and confidentiality of a modern operating system. Finally, we exit the session to end the connection. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching.